Tired of wrestling with your bed sheets every week? Does making your bed feel more like a chore than a pleasure? What if I told you that in just 60 seconds, you could learn the secret to a perfectly made bed that looks like it as straight out of a luxury hotel? That's not magic. It's all about the corners. First, lay your fitted sheet and make sure it's snug on all four corners. Now for the flat sheet, spread it out evenly, leaving more length at the top. Here's the trick: the hospital corner. Take the side of the sheet, lift it to form a 45-degree angle against the mattress, and tuck the hanging part underneath. Then just drop the triangle and tuck it in neatly. Repeat on the other side, add your duvet and pillows, and voila, a crisp, clean, and inviting bed. It is a small act of care that brings a huge sense of comfort and freshness to your room. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tips to elevate your home life. Thanks for watching.